Hello, I'm Dr. Jody Reed. In this series, we explore the brain, behavior, and mental health. In this video, we'll examine how the brain processes sensation, language, vision, and emotion. The parietal lobe contains the primary somatosensory cortex, located just behind the central groove. This region receives information about touch, pain, temperature, and body position from the opposite side of the body. As you can see here, the sensory homunculus mirrors the motor one, again emphasizing areas like the hands and face. Beyond basic sensation, the parietal lobe integrates sensory input with attention and meaning. The temporal lobe plays a key role in hearing, language, and memory. The primary auditory cortex processes sound, while adjacent regions help interpret speech and complex auditory patterns. In the dominant hemisphere, a specialized region supports language comprehension. Interestingly, the non-dominant hemisphere contributes to interpreting tone, context, and ambiguity, important for understanding meaning beyond words. The occipital lobe is primarily devoted to vision. Visual information is mapped systematically, preserving spatial relationships from the retina to the cortex. Different visual regions specialize further, some processing color, others motion, form, or orientation. Damage to these systems produces characteristic visual deficits, even when the eyes themselves are intact. The limbic system refers to a network of interconnected structures involved in emotion, motivation, and memory. Rather than a single emotional center, it's better understood as a distributed system. Importantly, emotion and cognition are deeply intertwined. Attempts to separate them cleanly often fail, both anatomically and functionally. This insight is crucial in understanding mood disorders, trauma, and personality change. The brain does not divide neatly into emotion and reason. It is an integrated system where perception, memory, feeling, and action constantly interact.